In this video, I'll show you how to schedule content based on SEO opportunity scores, so you can focus on high potential topics and boost your rankings faster. This method is a game changer, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to prioritize content for maximum SEO impact. Stick with me, and I'll even give you an exclusive free trial of the tool I recommend for this, available only to viewers of this channel. Let's dive right in. The first step is understanding what an SEO opportunity score is. Think of it as a metric that tells you the potential value of a topic based on factors like search volume, competition, and keyword difficulty. You want to schedule content around topics with high scores as they present the best chances to rank and drive traffic. The higher the opportunity score, the more potential the keyword or topic has. Once you understand the opportunity score, the next step is identifying the right tools. I've tested a lot of the popular SEO software out there, and I'm going to give you access to an exclusive free trial of the one I recommend. This will allow you to follow along with the process in real time. The best tools will let you analyze keyword difficulty, search volume, and even provide suggested topics based on trending searches. Now, let's talk about how to schedule content. You'll want to break down your content calendar into categories based on SEO opportunity scores. Start by prioritizing the topics with the highest opportunity scores. These are the topics that are easier to rank for, and you'll likely see quicker results. For lower scoring keywords, schedule them for later in your calendar or after you've built up some authority with the higher priority ones. To keep things organized, I recommend using a content scheduling tool that integrates SEO data. This makes it easy to keep track of what's coming up in your pipeline and ensures you don't miss out on content opportunities with high SEO scores. In your calendar, note which keywords you're targeting and align the content creation process with these SEO opportunities. Here's where the secret sauce comes in: content velocity. The faster you publish content around high opportunity keywords, the quicker you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche. But don't just publish for the sake of publishing. Focus on quality content that serves your audience's needs while aligning with SEO opportunity scores. Finally, once your content is published, track the results. Monitor how well your content is ranking and adjust your strategy based on those insights. If a topic with a lower score starts performing better than expected, you can revisit your schedule and push it higher up the priority list. Key takeaway: to schedule content based on SEO opportunity scores, prioritize high opportunity topics first, use the right tools for analysis, and track performance to adjust your strategy over time. This will help you focus on content that has the most potential to drive traffic and improve your SEO. So remember, use the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with the tool I recommend. Don't miss out on the chance to streamline your content scheduling and boost your SEO performance.